Hi, hi, Financial Lit. Yes, I am not here today, but today you have many things to work on. So this will be a work day for the most part. We did start this assignment on Friday. So if you were not here on Friday, a lot of you are missing. You can go through this video. It'll be different than your friends because I use a different example in the video, but you can go ahead and go through it. So what you're going to want to do if you have not started this assignment is you're going to open up this spreadsheet, which is a template. So it'll come up, see it says template amortization schedule, and it'll automatically open, and it's going to look something like this. Let's see. It's going to look like this. It'll be blank, but it'll have some stuff that you're filling out. So you're going to want to go ahead and do that. The other thing is this is the assignment that we're doing, and let me see. What did I do with the assignment? Is it right here? Oh, here it is. Here's the assignment. So this is what the template will look like. I go through it in the video for you. but this is what it's going to look like. You are going to need to format some things, like this needs to be formatted as a number. This needs to be formatted as a number or it won't work. This will be needs to be formatted as a percent. And there you go. It should all work. All right, so I go through this in your video also, so if you missed all of that, that's okay. It will go through that. Here is the assignment that you're doing. Here are the directions on how to do all of that. They're all written out for you. Okay? Then what I need you to do is once you create this spreadsheet, I need you to hit share. I need you to share it with me and make me an editor. So if I were to share this with someone, I would say, I'm going to share this with this person and I'm going to make him an editor, and then you just hit send. Okay, and then you're going to copy, or before you hit send, copy the link and then hit send. Sorry, copy the link, then hit send. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to paste that link right here. So you'll paste it like that. That's obviously not the link. It's a different link I had apparently pasted. So you'll paste it right there. After you finish all of this stuff, filling out all of this, a lot of it will be filled out, but there is a lot of stuff in there. After you fill all of this out, you need to start working on this assignment. So when you're working on this, it says Tremaine, he wants a 1-bedroom townhouse in a trendy new development downtown. Downtown where? I don't know, wherever Tremaine lives. The average cost is $145,000. So what you will do is the cost of the home is $145,000. You just type right into it, okay? Then it says that he is pre-approved for a 4.38 interest rate on his 30-year fixed mortgage. So right here, you're going to put, oh, I forgot what it was, 4.38. So you're going to type just on top of it, it should be a percent, 4.38%, enter. If it is not a percent, click on it. Make sure it's a percent, so make sure this says 4.38%. Notice that the blue boxes are the only things that I'm filling out. I'm not filling anything else out. Then it says that he has saved $15,000 for a down payment. Oh, look, right here where it says down payment, $15,000. Done. Now you'll be able to answer all of the questions. We've got our taxes here. That's how much he's going to owe on taxes. That's how much he's going to owe on insurance. So how much will his monthly payment be? Well, we can go back here, look under monthly payment, and he's going to pay $890.31. Type that there. How much will be the total interest? How much total interest will he pay over the course of the mortgage? How much total interest will he pay over the course of the mortgage? Well, look at that. That says total interest paid. Boom, right there. It says how much total interest. If he waited until he had $30,000 for a down payment, what would it be? So then you would change that here. So you'll be able to answer the questions. You're going to go through some different scenarios. You got Carlin's. You're going to change some things. Be careful. Be careful, because if you change something, you need to make sure that you change it back. So like this one, we're adding $50 to the mortgage payment. So you're going to type all of this stuff Plus 50. When you get to that, make sure you do. So if I were to type all of that, I would say, okay, once I answer the questions, I need to undo that. So either go back in and retype what should have been here, which is this, whatever. So you're going to want to go through that the whole time. I think I have you go back in and change it anyway in the directions, just in case you forgot to delete that. But if that comes up, let me know. You're going to be talking about different scenarios, and you'll answer these questions, and then you are going to submit this on Canvas. So that is where you'll submit it in here. You'll turn it in. So again, when you start this assignment, you need to open this up. You need to open this up, create your copies, and that make sure you share all of them with me. This video right here walks you through all the directions on how to do it. So you can click on that and watch that video. Otherwise, you guys have a ton of work to do. So if I go down here, let's go to student view so it looks like your guys' view. Here are things that need to be done by today. You need to have, let's see, we'll start at the top. Fine print, Schumer box, that needs to be turned in. Fine print, credit card statement, that needs to be turned in. Fine print, credit report, that needs to be turned in. This interactive FICO scores, that should be turned in. Calculate shopping with interest, that needs to be turned in. And analyze understanding amortization, that needs to be turned in. And if all of those things are done, then you can start working on this. Otherwise, you cannot start working on it. I'm going to have it set up that you have to have all of that stuff turned in before you can get into this. So make sure you turn that in. All right, well, I hope you all have a good Monday. I will see you on Tuesday, and we will move on, and we will start doing this. I was going to have you do this, and we'll just do this on Tuesday when I come back. So I will have you guys have a good day, work hard, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye.